Hello, my dear children. This is your computer teacher. Today we will start chapter 2, that is more on Windows 7. So, let's get started. You already know that Windows is an operating system using which you operate your computer. Now, what are the features of Windows? Windows has so many inbuilt application programs which you use for your day-to-day activities like calculator, notepad, Windows Media Player, sound recorder, etc. So, let us talk about Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player is a computer program used for playing multimedia files such as music, videos and movies. So Windows Media Player is a software using which you can view all the music and videos files of your computer and from the internet and from the CD. It gives us an option to rip music and copy it into compact disc. This can be burnt into audio formats. Means we can get the CD copied to the computer. हमारी CD में जितना कुछ भी डेटा है that can be copied to the computer using the Windows Media Player. That is called ripping the CD. And we can copy the data from the computer to the CD. That is called burning the CD. So this is done by using the Windows Media Player. Both these things can be done using the Windows Media Player, burning the CD and ripping the CD. Now, another user-friendly feature of Windows 7 is multiple windows. Windows provides the user with many features for fast and flexible work. This is especially useful for professionals as they need to keep multiple programs opened at the same time. So, using the Windows 7, we can open multiple windows at the same time. At a time, we can open Paint, and at the side, we can open Microsoft Word. Two windows can be opened at the same time and we can work on both the windows. For example, here we can see that the person is working on three programs at the same time. Windows Explorer, Calculator and MS Excel. This way we can open many windows at the same time. So how to do that? To open two windows side by side, suppose Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint, what we will do? Firstly, we will open Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint program one by one. Now, right click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar and then click on the Show Windows Side by Side option from the shortcut menu. Both the application windows will be displayed side by side. Windows 7 provides us the aggregate content of all the files and folders from various locations in 4 different formats: documents, music, pictures and videos. As you click on Pictures folder, a window appears containing all the images in your computer. Here the pictures are arranged in folders under different headings. This helps in accessing pictures easily without creating any problem. Okay, there are different types of views options. Any of the options may be selected to show the icon in a particular view format. So from the library's pictures folder, we can see all kinds of pictures available in the computer. Now the next feature is disk cleanup. We can clean up the files that are not needed in our hard disk. The disk cleanup option removes unnecessary files from the system and frees up the disk drive. The steps to run disk cleanup in Windows 7 operating system are: firstly, click on the Start button, then click All Programs, then Accessories, select System Tools and then select Disk Cleanup. Select Drive C from the drop down menu. Any other drive can also be selected from the list. Then select the files which you want to delete and click OK. In a few minutes, the disk cleanup removes all the unwanted files and calculates the free space on your computer. Now let us talk about some more features of Windows 7. The first feature is arrow peek feature. Suppose we are having so many windows opened on the desktop and we want to see behind these windows. We want to see our desktop. Then using the arrow peek feature we can see the desktop. We have to click on the show desktop button, which is located at the right side in the taskbar, and all the windows will become transparent and you can see your desktop. And if you want to get those windows again, then again you will click on the same button, show desktop, and all your windows will appear again on the desktop. So this feature is called arrow peek feature of the windows. Now the next feature is arrow shake feature. If we are having so many windows opened on the desktop and we want to focus only on the single window and minimize all the other windows, then we can use this feature. What we have to do, we have to shake the active window which we want to focus, and then all the other windows will be minimized. And if we shake again, then all the other windows will open again. This is called arrow shake feature. Now the next feature is arrow snap feature. Suppose we want to see two windows simultaneously on the screen and we want to compare these two documents. Then using this feature, we can open two windows half by half on the screen. To do so, what we have to do? We have to drag the right window at the right side and left window at the left side. Both these windows will appear as half by half of the screen. So this feature is called arrow snap feature of windows. So children, this much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.